today I am doing a Lego car reveal. So this, it does come with a minifig. It's by you. It doesn't have a helmet. It's with it. It's like he's bald. He's from the movie Fast and Furious. He has really good quality, and just basic arms on both sides and like regular legs. Okay, with no helmet, even though it's from Fast and Furious, which I don't get why there's no helmet, but there's no. Okay, and I'm gonna move on to the car in a second because I've actually accidentally broke it, which I've kind of don't think I can fix, but I probably can. I'll just try do it in a bit. Okay, so here is the car itself. Hang on. Wait there, guys. Give me 1 sec. This ain't really going right. I can't put my top on. There. Anyways, this is the actual car. It's kind of dusty. It's been sitting on my thing. Shout out to Preston Plays if you want to go check him out if you haven't. And this is a car review. Like my friend done. His YouTube name is Lego Bro. If you want to go check that out, check out his videos. There is the car. There's the engine. I don't think that's the engine, but I don't know. There's the lights, little glass pieces. There's the underlights. You can take the roof off to put the minifig in. Oh no. 1 second, guys. I broke it. But I can fix it. I'll just make another video. No, I won't make another video. I'll cut to when it's fixed. Back. And yeah, like I was saying, the underlights were there. And yes, you can take the roof off. There it is. So you can put the minifig in. Something happened in it. I'll fix that in a sec. There's wheels on it that they actually roll really good. And it's really easy to roll them. There's a little door handle. Don't know if you can see it. Where is it? That's the door handle. There's one on each side. And there's a sticker on the back of the car. Yeah, I think that is just about it. Oh yeah, and there's the wheel there. I'll just fix this. Give me a sec, guys. Yeah, by the way, that's the, if you can't, I don't know if you can see it. There's a red thing there and there's a door handle on the inside. There's also a seat. Can you see? I don't know if you can see that. There's a seat right there. Don't know if you can see it. It's where this little minifig sits. You can move his hands facing outwards as if he's going up in the wheel. And guys, like I said just now, or earlier, I really recommend going to see my friend's YouTube channel. He's really good. He makes really good videos on stop motion. He's really good. He makes Lego videos like this one. And there it is. If you just plop that roof right on there, just like that. Hold on. That should be there. This kind of failed, but yeah, anyways, it's still a car review, but okay, that's fixed. Okay, you can plop the roof on right there. There's the driver. And then you can either play with it if you have another car, or you could just plop it right if you record on your recording desk, or your like regular desk. If you work or do like school online, you can plop it right there. And that's the video. See you in the next one, guys.